Hebei Zongbin Vehicle Fittings Company Limited, founded in 2000. It is a professional manufacturer of auto parts that integrates production of models and materials and product research and development. Through the changes of times, it has become more stable and introverted, focusing on the research and development and manufacturing of auto parts. Zongbin is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of vehicle filter, fuel water separator, EPDM hose, silicone hose, spark plug, etc. We are located in Hebei with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we pay attention to quality production and strictly controls details of products. All of its products have passed BV and other multiple certifications, and before shipping, through strict testing process. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, with high-quality products, punctual delivery, and honest service, Zongbin has won the favor of customers in the auto parts industry. Zongbin produces more than 3,000 models of auto parts, covering more than 95% of the models. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, Eastern Europe, Asia, Africa, Middle East. We also welcome sample OEM orders. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.